Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Razr 40, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So if you don't use Wi-Fi right now, disable it. Disable Bluetooth if you don't use it right now. Auto rotate, hotspot, nearby share. You don't need nearby share if you don't use Bluetooth. Disable the location services. If you don't have location services here, maybe you have it in the hidden features. So swipe it up, drag it up to the upper part of your control panel and disable it. Click close and cool. It will disable. Great. Then of course open the settings, open display and activate the dark theme. Why? Of course, because here you have LED screen, you have no LCD, you have LED, and it means that your screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that in dark, so maybe not in the dark, but in black places, your lamps are disabled because lamp can't create a black color. If you see black, it means that lamps are disabled because they have black color in disabled position. Cool. Go back, and here what we need to do, we need to scroll down, find the battery in the settings, and find the battery saver, and enable it. Disable battery saver, click turn on, and cool. That's it. That's all we can do with this device to improve battery life. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.